One common thing between Walmart and Thunder and yourselves and the retailer is the fact that the retailer in their case Walmart, or in your case the retail client, have some first party data as well. So are you integrating in the anonymized first party data into your creative decisioning, or are you using, or are you sort of leaving that out of the equation for the time being?
So we are, but we're going to do it via the media buying entities.
I
So
see.
rather than onboarding the data segments into our own platform, which comes with a whole load of complications from, GDPR requirements to complexities around the cookie, et cetera, to building our own match tables, like actually the big partners of in this space, Facebook, Google, Amazon, they're doing this stuff for us, and they're passing us those segments as an ID, and saying like,
Right.
here's this audience bucket, and they're suggesting that more and more we just use that ID to trigger the different creative variations, and that's what our focus has been on. Of course, there's some challenges around that, and it's not the perfect way to be doing things, but actually it creates a level of security between us and the brand. It means that there isn't data leakage and data loss. And I think for big brands now, that it will. I don't know whether it's like hit the US, but it's a very serious thing over in EMEA. It's a very, very serious thing. People take their data security very seriously, and I don't think that's going away. I think it's going to get worse. So the fact we can say, you know what, trust your big partners. We aren't a £1 billion business. Probably will be one day, Kevin, but we aren't at the moment. But trust those guys to help you and support you to manage the onboarding of your first party data, keep it secure and hashed, and all that kind of thing. And we'll purely use IDs, that reference a cohort of users to trigger a creative execution. I think that's actually very attractive to big advertisers in this day and age.